Hi guys, MyTechTalks back again with another video. Today we're going to go over the Ugreen power bank and 10,000 mAh. 1 month later review. And yeah, my thoughts after 1 month of owning this product. So let's get into it. So first off, you can obviously see there's scratches here. This is when I put it in a bag with my keys. Don't put it in your bag. Don't put it in a bag with keys or any sharp coins or anything like that. Any coins, because it will get scratched. You won't be able to see this as much as I can see it in real life, but it's quite scratched. So yeah, don't put it in with anything sharp because this is obviously hard plastic. So yeah, so USB-C in and out, 18 watts. Then you got your fast charging USB port as well, so that's pretty good. Also, another thing, if you are going to a party and you want to say you want to bring this along and you forgot to charge it, and you're like, oh crap, oops, forgot to charge it. So what you do is you get your longest USB-C cable, you plug that into the power brick, into the wall. Then you can use this as your like extension lead, if you know what I mean, your extension cord. Then you can place this like over here in the middle of the field, then get your extra long USB cable, and then you can just plop that into here, and then you can have it where you want it to be instead of having it all the way in the corner where the plug is, because then this is basically extension, isn't it, which is actually really convenient. So that's a bonus. And then so yeah, so everything's held up nice and basically held up as it should. Put it this way, I've, no joke, had this on 54%. Well, it's not, I've charged it up, but I had this on 54%. I left it for 5 days and 6 nights or whatever, pretty close. No joke, it was still on 54% when I checked it, and I was like, huh? That's a bit weird. So I left it for another couple of days, and it was still on 54%, and I was like, okay, that's blimmin' awesome, basically. So yeah, I got to say, that's literally awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the battery as well. Oh no, another thing, yeah. When you're fast charging your Galaxy S10 Plus, I'm filming on one of those right now. Yeah, so what it is I charged it from 15% to 100% on a full charge on this. It went down to 47%. Bearing in mind that's a 4,100 mAh battery on the S10 Plus. Yeah, so I charged it from 15% up to 100%. This was on 100%. It went down to 47, 48, something like that. So yeah, so it's pretty damn good. It's really good at fast charging, but I have to say, it is faster charging if you just plug your phone into the wall. This does do its best at fast charging, and it's much better than slow charging at 5 watts, and it's much better at 15 watts, but it's not as fast as plugging it in the wall, but it still does a blimmin' good job, considering for like £18 or whatever time you buy it, for whatever sale price. I think it's pretty damn good considering, and as well as that, you've got another port. As well as that, you can it's basically fantastic for the price. It's nice and compact, and yeah, that's literally pretty much it. I've had no problems with the battery life. It charges quite well from 0 to 50%, considering it's a 10,000 mAh battery. Considering it's 10,000 mAh, it charges from 0 to 50% in something like a ridiculous short amount of time. I'll link that in the corner up there, so you can go see my fast charging test. I'll link that up there. It's absolutely fantastic for value for money. I think it's pretty damn good. You can charge your phone fast charging, and you can also charge your micro USB speaker as well at the same time. I think that's awesome. Or you can just plug your USB-C cable in here and charge your USB-C phone, S10 Plus, and then you can also, I don't know, no, the other way around it would have to be, you'd have to use a USB cable. You'd have to use one of these, plug that in like so, then you can charge your S10 Plus, and then you could charge this at the same time, this power bank, and then you got yourself an extension cord cable thing, extension cable. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos coming up, and yeah, thanks for watching.